Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this very beautiful love decoration very easily at home. All you need for this decoration is crepe paper and a few heart balloons, and within a few minutes you can make this very easily at your home. In case you're new to this channel is all about party decorations, holiday decoration and all kinds of other DIYs. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button right now. All the decorations on my channel are exclusive, which you can find nowhere else on the internet, so that's reason enough for you to subscribe. For this decoration we are going to use heart balloons. We will be needing 3 different colors. I'll be using red color heart balloon, white color and pink color, and of each color I'll be using 2 pieces. Also we'll be using balloon pump. First we'll inflate all the balloons. And we'll tie a knot to secure it. And like this we'll inflate all the other balloons that we have. Next we'll be using crepe paper. I have 3 different colors. I have white, red and pink color crepe paper. We will be needing 8 pieces of each color, and the size of each piece will be 4 centimeters in width and 1 meter in length. This is 1 strip. I'll be needing 8 strips like this of each color. After we have cut the strips, we'll open them up. Let me know in the comment section below if you did like this DIY. If you did like this DIY, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please don't leave this channel without subscribing, and do check all my other videos, and I'm sure you'll find amazing party decoration ideas to make your occasion special.